Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by powering the phone off and taking out any removable battery. This prevents shorts. Once done, ground yourself with an ESD strap and work on a clean, magnetic mat so screws don't wander. Use a Phillips #00 and a thin spudger to separate clips. Work slowly to avoid plastic tabs. Then, use a 10x loop or macro lens to inspect the charging pin area for debris, bent pins, or corrosion. This visual step tells you whether cleaning, reflow, or replacement is next. You now diagnose the damage. First, clean contacts with 90% plus isopropyl and a soft brush to remove lint and corrosion because good contact often fixes charging. If pins are bent, gently realign with a plastic tool. Avoid metal force. For broken pads or loose flex cable, reflow or replace the flex connector using low-temp solder and flux. Practice on scrap first. Make sure to test continuity with a multimeter and verify the 5 V-rail pins connect correctly. You finish by carefully reassembling the chassis, reinstalling shields and screws. Tighten until snug, not stiff, to avoid cracking. Once assembled, plug in the original cable and a 5V USB adapter to verify charging. Watch for steady current and normal LED or screen response. If it still fails, make sure to try a known good cable and adapter, because cables often cause false negatives. If problems persist, replace the entire port assembly or seek a board-level technician for trace repair.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.